In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and tap on this icon over here. Then select voice typing from keyboard settings and enable it thanks to gray switcher next to use voice typing. Now, when your switcher turns green, go back to your keyboard and tap on Now Visible Microphone. Hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Now my favorite part. Tap on microphone icon and select tiny one right next to it. Then hit next, select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To access some available options, click on those three lines on the left. To move your toolbar around, just hold it, drag it, and let go. If you want to go back to standard keyboard, hit keyboard icon and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!